What's going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new video, and today what we're going to be taking a look at is from the company Tonor, and they provided me with a microphone isolation shield, and they provided me with the stand and all, and this is going for like around 60 bucks or so. It's supposed to be a small little portable one, something to easily travel with. So if you're in a large area or in a large room and you're trying to get vocals or you're trying to do voiceovers and stuff like that, and you're not in a room that's well isolated with acoustic foams, acoustic panels, stuff like that on the ceiling, some audio treatment, pretty much you're gonna get a lot of reverb and a lot of echoes. So this is where it comes in. So you pretty much put a nice isolation shield, and it has acoustic panels, and you have a stand and a microphone mount to add any type of cardioid condenser microphone to do voiceovers, and then with that you should be getting a lot less reverb and a lot less echo, and have nice clean audio and easier to edit with, instead of constantly hearing that reverb like you're in some type of church or something like that. All right, so let me just pull that piece off, get that one, and get that one. Okay, so let's see. Give a nice instruction, the packaging, you can see that that's what it looks like. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, so it's really tiny. Okay, so this right here, got the nice little isolation feel of it. It's nice and soft, but we get the nice metal piece of it, get the screw on. So we're gonna put this over to the side, and then get the base. Okay, and that seems like everything in the box. All right, so it seems like we got the base and the arm. Okay, very nice. Okay, so this is actually pretty portable. So we got the legs, and then we got the arms over here, so you could really just mount everything, take it all with you, and it's like super portable, which I really like. So if I'm just gonna be traveling and I'm gonna be catching some voiceovers, I'm gonna take this with me. I'm gonna take my microphone, my audio recorder, and then that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that I need. But we got the arms over here, as well as we got the acoustic panel right here, and it seems like this one could fold. Move that one. So it seems like this piece could fold, so you could get it more directional, all of that. Okay, very nice, not bad. Okay, so let me try to get this all set up, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, you guys, so one of the best places that I thought that would be good for reverb and echoing is pretty much a bathroom. So right now we're in my bathroom. It's a weird, really weird setup, but right now I got a cardioid condenser microphone using the stand that Tonor provided, and using my shock mount and all, and I wanted to show you guys pretty much a very extreme level of reverb and echoing. So right now you guys are probably hearing every possible echo in this bathroom, and this is literally to the extreme. I got a wall right next to me, I got a mirror in the wall. Is just honestly ridiculous. So this is pretty much to the extreme. So if the absorption shield really does its work and really does really good, like really good, then I will be honestly amazed, and I'll be very impressed. But let's go ahead and try this out now, just to let you guys know that this is the raw audio of it, and just to show you guys, explain how I have this set up. I pretty much am using the Focusrite CM25 2nd edition on a shock mount, using a AudioQuest XLR cable connected to my Tascam DR70D recorder, and that is pretty much how I have the settings. I have the gain at about half, which is fine, because when I have that background noise when I'm not talking or anything like that, it's pretty much below 30 decibels, maybe negative 40 decibels or so. But pretty much I'm gonna do nothing different. The only thing I'm gonna do is add that absorption shield, and then we'll see how that sounds. Okay, you guys, so as you can see right here, I got the absorption shield right behind the microphone, and I pretty much angle it kind of inward so I could get the back as well as a little bit on the side. I kind of like the size of it because it's nice and portable, like I said, and it still covers the microphone very well, you know, and I kind of like this style. It's nice and small, nice and portable, and let me know what you guys think about the audio so far. So nothing has changed at all. The only thing that's changed is that I added the absorption shield, and that is pretty much it. I'm still right next to the wall. There's still a window and all this. I'm still in the bathroom. You know, it's kind of a weird situation, and it's really to the extreme as far as reverb and echoing. But let me know what you guys think about the absorption shield, if it really does do its job. Like I said, I kind of created a little bit of distance from behind the microphone so that it could travel a little bit, the audio, and then get stuck in the pyramid acoustic foam. And then I also angled the side pieces a little bit more inward so I could get the cancel out a little bit of the sides as well. And I kind of just put the microphone a little bit farther back, and so that's pretty much how I would have it set up. And this, like I said, this is the raw audio part of it, so no background noise removal, nothing like that. And I just wanted to see how pretty much the audio sounds like. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And this is pretty much an extreme level, and I'm pretty sure nobody would have this type of setup, but I kind of just want to show you guys what this absorption shield could do, and if it really does do its job or not, and if it's really not worth the money. Okay, you guys, so I decided to do another sound test because I thought that was very extreme, and I just really wanted to try it out just for fun. But pretty much now we are in a different environment. Now I'm in my living room, so it's a much more relatable scenario, much more open area, so more for the echo and the reverb and pretty much the audio to travel and then bounce back and then get into the microphone. So I have a wall right behind the camera. I got my entire kitchen, my bed, and all that on that side. And then I got my wall and my TV on the other side, and then you can see that I got the windows behind me as well. But pretty much this is the scenario of how it sounds like. Nothing has changed as well from the scenario in the bathroom, so all the audio equipment and everything is the same exact thing, and nothing else is pretty much different. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the shield, the acoustic panel shield, and then we'll see how much of a difference this actually makes in a much more relatable scenario. Okay, you guys, so now it's a little bit difficult for you guys to really see me, but that's not the point of this video. Right now, you guys should hopefully be hearing a little bit of a difference as far as reverb and echoing. I added the absorption shield, so let me know down in the comments below on what you guys think about the audio now. So pretty much exact same settings, cable, microphone, all that. Everything is the same. The position is the same. All I did was add the absorption shield. So like I said, let me know down in the comments below on what you guys think about. Same thing, so I have the back pretty much blocking out as much as I can, and then the sides I kind of added a little bit, moved it a little bit closer to the side so it could kind of block out the side, and hopefully it could cancel as much as the audio as far as the reverb and the echo as much as possible. But hopefully it does its job, and if not, then you guys already know, don't spend your money on something that's really not gonna work. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below of the audio, the before and after. And this was straight raw audio, both in the living room and in the bathroom. Alright, you guys, so after giving it about a day, listening back and forth, using the waveform to really determine and literally see the difference in Adobe Audition, I barely heard that much of a difference. Now I'm using studio headphones and earbuds to really hear that difference, and I barely heard that much of it. So pretty much on the first test in the bathroom, that was pretty much on purpose. I did not expect this to really change the audio levels whatsoever, and that was too drastic and too big of a test. Now if you guys have a room that's really having echoes and reverb, this will not really do that good of a job. It's not going to be that much of a difference. You really have to do and invest in acoustic treatments, so like get acoustic panels, studio blankets, stuff like that, in order for it to work. Getting this will not really do that big of a difference, especially like in the bathroom or something like that. So if you guys have a room that's very similar to that, I would definitely recommend investing in some acoustic treatment. Now the other test in the living room was a little bit more different because I heard, that's where I really heard the difference. Obviously the bathroom was just taken to another level, and I pretty much just did it on purpose just to have fun. But pretty much the audio test in the living room was where I really heard the difference, and it wasn't that big of a difference either way. It was pretty subtle, about -5 decibels of a difference, and you guys heard the raw audio of the before and after adding the shield, and it wasn't that crazy of a difference. Now the microphone that I'm using isn't that you know, so expensive or anything like that. It comes from Focusrite. I got it with the Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio Pack 2nd edition, so it really came with just a package and all. And if I were to do the Rode NT1 or any of those other big microphone brands, like Sennheiser, Rode and stuff like that, it would definitely not do any type of effects or anything at all. Like, you would still not hear that big of a difference, because those microphones, those cardiac condenser microphones, are really good at blocking out what's behind and what's from the side. So with or without the shield, it's not going to be that crazy of a difference. Now granted, if you guys are right next to like a wall or something like that, that's where it might be doing that big of a difference. But like in an open area for the audio to travel, bounce off of a wall and then come back, you're not really gonna hear that drastic. Now if you have like a setup right in the corner and stuff like that, and you want to use something like this, and that's fine. If you guys are just having the microphone doing it like this, like getting a tabletop stand, then that's fine as well. I would recommend that. But honestly, just doing it just randomly in a room and stuff, and like not having, it's not gonna be that big of a difference. Honestly, you're not gonna hear that drastic of a difference. If you think that, oh, I'm hearing too much background noise, reverb and echoes, that this will help, I really wouldn't recommend it. It's not that drastic. One major con that I really did not like about this, like, I like the quality of the shield and all that, the acoustic panels, they're nice and all, and I really like the quality of it. The build quality is great. The stand is horrible. Honestly, this thing is so trash. The reason why I say is the base is fine and all. It's this piece. This piece where it first connects is so loose, so wobbly. I literally had to put duct tape in order for it to stay kind of still. Like, the threads are messed up for some reason. Like, the threads are not properly made, so like it could easily fall off. If I did not have this and I had the microphone set up and I lifted this up, this thing will fall down pretty much. It will come off. So this thing is so wobbly. So once I put the weight in it literally leans forward, and then that's how it is, or it'll lean whichever direction. Now the only way to really prevent that is if I bring this piece all the way down, so I don't use the full height level. I really like how tall this is for like really tall people and stuff like that, and I like that, but I really hate how the build quality is. Now if I were to put the top piece all the way down, then it's more sturdy, you know. This is not going to move because it has extra inside to hold it, but that's usually what people are not going to use it for. They're going to, this is the high level now, so when I add the shield, this is how it is, pretty much sitting down, and that's fine. But most people are going to be standing up when using this, so this this stand I would definitely not recommend. If you guys are gonna get this, I would say just get the shield by itself. Don't get it with the stand, because this thing is honestly garbage. I like the build quality, you know, it's metal and stuff like that, but the thread just did not work. I don't know what was going on with it. But there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Overall, I would not really recommend it. I didn't hear that drastic of a difference in different scenarios, and I would just mainly invest in acoustic treatment. But there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys saw down in the comments below. If you guys really heard the difference or not, tell me in the comments below. Maybe there's something that I missed, but I'm not too sure. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, it's Tech HD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!